What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. This video is going to be a little bit different, and I'll tell you why. Here's the thing. Me being a small business owner, a very, very, very small business owner, meaning Foxcast Media, my company, expenses are tight, and, money's tight. Basically, anything that I don't live on goes directly back into, growing the brand and the business and all of that. That being said, I've done a lot and come a long way with very little. But I've kind of gotten to this point with the brand where, long story short, I nicknamed the car the Road Warrior because I drove it to events, long distances, stuff like that. And that was all fine and good when my brand was small, but as my brand has really started to pick up, the amount of things that I need at an event are just not going to fit in the back of a Fox body, especially now that the battery's relocated and all that stuff. I'm expected to have merchandise. I'm expected to have a booth, a tent, banners, hats, shirts, stickers, all this other stuff, along with my own personal, belongings. I mean, I got to change my underwear, right? Along with a lot of other stuff that I would like to bring, just to show people and to have at the events. So that's kind of got me at a crossroads, and that's what we're doing today. All right, guys, so not only events that I need to be at, that, I'm kind of expected to have a booth at, but also, picking up parts, picking up cars, stuff like that. If Dover's diesel is, tied up and, I need to go get the winner of the subscriber contest, I don't have anything to do it with. And it's been okay, and it's worked out up until now, but it's kind of getting to that point where it's an issue, and I need to do something. The issue is truck prices. Like a new truck, like a new diesel, is going to cost $60,000, $70 something thousand, and used isn't that much cheaper. Gas trucks are a little cheaper, which I can survive with a gas truck. That's fine. And the main thing is that I can afford it. I can stay within my budget, and I also have that added capability of trailing the car to events, picking up cars, bringing parts out to the shop. All the other things that make a truck worthwhile are what I'm looking for. So I actually have a little bit of an option provided by Alex. So let's go. Alright, y'all, so we have arrived at the super secret location. No, I can't tell you where we're at, but this is the truck. Oh, Alex, this is an Ecoboost.
You want a 5.0?
Yeah, I thought this was a 5.0. It's nice, though. I'm not saying I wouldn't. Oh, I love it. I love the Ecoboost, but alright. I'll look at all of them. I don't care. That gray one down here.
I think it is.
So I'm not against the Ecoboost, but
That's a 5.0 truck.
actually I'd like to tune an Ecoboost. But
That's a 14, 55,000.
14 model.
Yeah, that's a 5.0 truck.
That's a platinum, isn't it? Or no, it's just got platinum wheels.
Platinum.
Is it platinum? Dang, it's locked. And this is a FX4.
Mm-hmm. No navigation.
Oh, base model.
Well, it's not quite. It's a little bit up, but it ain't got the navigation.
Yeah.
This thing got everything on it.
Oh, it's got those doo-doo brown seats in it.
Brown.
I'm not picky, am I, Alex?
The tailgate was bent, so we didn't bother.
That's a nice truck. Let's see. I do like that though. Is it a 3.5 or a 2.7?
3.5.
Yeah, that.
2.7 sold, so we got 3.
We got red.
Caribou. That's how much you like.
No, I'm good. I'm good.
Corey, how much paint this car that color too? Caribou.
That's that color?
Yeah.
Okay, Corey, no. It looks good on a pawpaw truck, but let's see here. Yeah, this is a base model too. I don't know, y'all. Drop me a comment below. What'd you do? The 3.5 Ecoboost or stay 5.0? I should have bought this when Alex was interested in selling it, but all right, let's get the keys. See what's up with this thing. Okay guys, real quick, here's the cool story about the silver truck I'm looking at. This is the reason it was here. This is the bed. That's the only reason it was here. That's it. So they put a bed on it, had a dent in it, no big deal. So all right, sounds like Alex hit the remote start. So, there you go, Caribou Brown pawpaw truck. Alright, let's see what we're working with here. Interesting. Got black leather. And then, oh, it's not gonna let me push it yet. Very nice. Yeah, which I like the fact that, you know, it didn't.
Somebody caught a pole.
Yeah.
Somebody spun out and hit a pole right there. It bent the bed right in there. And put a bed and back bumper on it, so I had to
Yeah.
do this truck.
Don't have to worry about any major
brain damage or none of that. But they told us the truck because of that.
That's crazy.
Well, bed.
Seats are in pretty good shape. Windows already blacked out. Yeah, it's dark. And I honestly like that it doesn't have the sunroof in it.
I don't care for that.
I don't either, because they never want to act right and they're a fortune to fix.
You got to keep it greased between them glasses or it hangs up.
Yeah. All the doors squeak. I don't get that.
Silicone spray stopped that and some rubber.
Is that pretty normal for these?
Yeah, with silicone spray in there and stuff there.
Let's see how nasty she is under the hood.
Got some weather checks put in there too.
Oh, do ya?
Yeah, I got a set of weather checks.
That'll work. Alright, hopefully I don't snag the oh shit, it's clean under here.
Rubber detail.
Wow. That's good. A new battery on it. I mean, it's got some nicks and stuff, but hey, I mean,
Original paint.
yeah. So
Pretty
that's a good thing, you know.
Yeah.
You know, definitely need some 33, 35 open countries.
33, 12, 50.
Yeah.
That way you don't have to go messing with that suspension too much.
I don't want to. I just need a little more meat on it. It's power everything though.
Yeah. Got it all. Navigation, everything.
Alright guys, so fuel level low. She's got it all, guys. I'm loving it. And you can see it is fully loaded, which is nice. I ain't gotta have it all, but at this price point, which is going to be pretty reasonable, I'm really digging it, because this truck new was about 60-something thousand dollars. It's a Lariat FX4. Let's see. So know these trucks will run quite a while. You know, Ken worked at the Ford dealer for a long time. Didn't really have much bad to say about them. They're super strong. You can tune the snot out of the Ecoboost, and it'll run hard. It's got a solid history on it, which is nice. So I don't know. Runs great. Super comfortable. And it's got a boost gauge. I love the boost gauge. Oh, tire spin. Whoa. Not bad at all. Not too bad. So, I really dig this truck. They got a bunch of other ones out here though. So I'm gonna just kind of look around, see what else is out here. Talk to the wife. But I really like this truck. It's a nice truck. Oh yeah. And the bags are blown.
That's the only one blown.
Is it?
Yeah, that's the only one. The seat belt and that steering wheel.
I bet this thing's probably low miles just looking at the interior.
71,000.
Oh, that ain't bad. Yeah, see, we just swapped the tires for these open countries, and it got a little, well, no, not a totally light hit, but
yeah, usually hit above the frame hole, so that ain't a big deal.
yeah. That's a clean truck, though. No, it won't. Yeah, fender. I can't do that tan interior because it's so light. I'd have it dirtier than crap. Sure. Yeah, no shortage of bumpers and step bars. I like that gray.
It's 16.
16 model. That blew all the bags, isn't it?
No, just the curtain and the seat. That's a 5.0 truck.
I had this one in the
Silver, it got light gray leather.
Man.
Ain't bad.
See, I am not against going back to 14. This thing's clean.
It's 5.0 truck.
5.0 auto.
Navigation, everything on it.
Man. The leather's in good shape. I don't mind the gray. I just, you know.
Yeah, I had one. I had a platinum with the gray. I like it. I just didn't care for the brown. My first one was brown. I didn't care for that brown.
And it's got the sound system, everything, sunroof.
I got some black leather up there.
Do you?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
We might be talking about something here.
I got black for this.
Damn, this truck is
Yeah,
clean.
black here. I do change the seats out. I got the seats up there black already.
Okay.
If you want black leather.
You never know, y'all. This, I'm not against this either. Who knows?
Tyler, he want a white truck.
He can give it.
Just getting a white truck is hard.
Alright guys, so decisions. I'm not sure. Kind of like the silver 14 or the 13. I like the silver 15. And Alex also said they could find one and, you know, in all the colors and everything that I want. So I don't know. It's a truck I'm gonna keep for a while and use regularly. Alex is kind of the expert on these, and he likes the 11 to 14 truck, so I don't know. We'll see. So keep an eye out for more updates on the truck. Maybe I'll just sell me as 250. Everything's for sale, right?
Yeah, I got black leather.
And he's got black leather, so there I go. But all right, guys, that is what is up right now. So the hunt continues. We're gonna figure something out. So in the meantime, drop me a comment below what you think I should do truck-wise. Give me a big thumbs up while you're at it. Smash that subscribe button. We'll catch up with you next time. Later.